are back at it again, back-to-back shows. So we just came from the Hot Wheels Legends tour car show. It was packed. It was hot. It drained us out. Muy apenas anda, pero hey, ahí andamos. So now we're out here at this is the first of a kind. Never heard of a show like this or anything like that, but it's actually in the baseball field. ¿Cómo se llama este field?
Dyken.
Dyken. Gracias. There goes Dyken. Appreciate Boss Man right there. So they changed the name from Minute Maid Park to Dyken, I guess now. Got that nice leaf here right there. Yeah, so they got a exotic car show. This is a Cars and Coffee is what they usually have every first of the month, Saturday. But now they decided to make a car show out of it at the Dyken Park. So we're out here. Yeah, there it goes. It says right there. Yeah, so we're here now. If you guys, I will be dropping the videos back to back this weekend. Make sure you gotta go check out that Hot Wheels Legends. A lot of crazy cars. I think it's gonna be crazier cars than this because they're fully custom. And then they got the little small replica as well. So, but anyways, we're out here. Looks like it's gonna rain. Hopefully the rain doesn't catch us. Oh, look, it was $10 over here to park. We parked over there. Whoa! Anyways, we're walking towards it right now. Hopefully the rain just holds off a little bit longer just so I can get some footage. And hopefully you guys enjoy, man. Let's check out the cars. So they got these crazy looking trucks here. All the refrigerators, I mean the Teslas. I guess they're giving rides to someone or something. That thing's crazy. I've never seen that.
Largas.
Be someone's Target, yeah, todo. Let's go. So that is dope. What do you think?
Ahí me voy yo.
There we go. So there's a lot of people here. That thing is packed. In downtown Houston. Let's see what this is about. Dope cars. Let's see what they got. So we are in, and of course, it is super packed. We got all the cars lined up inside. God, this is crazy. Está llenísimo. We got that McLaren there. Great. Porsches. Got the Porsche line up here. Spider RS. It looks pretty nice. Same thing over here, I guess. Yep. It's beautiful. I like that. Even the yellow looks nice. a lot more people than I expected to come, but it was good. You tired? Super tired. So that's that. We had two big shows today. So y'all make sure y'all look out for the footage and drop a like, subscribe, comment, see which one y'all like better, and appreciate y'all for all the support. Catch y'all on the next one.